I am back from Korea and I figured I would do a Korea haul for you guys since I still have everything kind of out and I haven't opened some of the products. It's not a Korea trip if I don't do some damage at Olive Young. So here are some things that I bought from Olive Young. Starting off with sheet mask, I bought Mediheal. I've heard some good things about it and honestly super affordable for these masks. It's so great going to Olive Young because they just have such a wide selection. It's a little bit overwhelming because sometimes you don't know what to get, but honestly just buy it, try it, and see if you like it because everyone's skin is a little different. Next up, I got sheet mask from this brand called Carrot. This one I've actually heard a lot of good things, so I really wanted to give it a try. I got the toner pads as well. And also super affordable. I think this one was like about $20 and it comes with 30 travel size packets of it too.
I think that's a steal of a deal. So
my girlfriend went to Korea before I did and got me the Riedel shot, and it's almost like a micro needling tool that you can use at home. And I've noticed my skin has just been so much better. It's improved a lot from using this. So I stocked up on another one, and they also have sheet masks. It's a 2-step sheet mask. I haven't tried it yet. It's still in its original packaging, but I have really high hopes for this one as well. I bought just a few different ones to try. I saw a lot of people grabbing these, so I picked up a few as well. And this one I've seen a little bit on social media. This is a lifting mask from this brand. And it's pretty cool because it's a full face mask, but then you like wrap it on your head and it's supposed to snatch your jawline. Moving on. Sorry, I have so much stuff here. I've been looking for a new eye cream. I'm just noticing a lot more fine lines. I am in my 30s, so I'm just trying to be really diligent about seeing what skincare products work. When I was at Olive Young, they recommended the Torden Firming Eye Cream. So I bought 3 of those to try because it takes some time to figure out if you like it or not. And I think this is only like $12, so probably recognize this sunscreen brand. This is Round Lab. I picked up the regular sunscreen, some travel size ones. Girl needs her sunscreen because we are not ready for those dark spots, hyperpigmentation spots. Like, no thank you. As well, there's a tinted version. So I'm gonna give this a try. If I like it, I might have to get my hands on a few more. I have been on a really strict diet when I'm home, not when I'm traveling. So I wanted to try these food gels. It's supposed to help with dieting. It makes you feel full. So I bought 2 packs of these to try for when I really need to like tone and lean out. Sorry, Juno's just like walking around the house. Let's move on to makeup. I've been loving these lippies from Perfume. This is the Ink Airy Velvet. I actually have this one on my lips right now. And then I also got like a deeper red version, and this is in 30. You guys know I absolutely love lippies. That's a one thing that I can experiment with. I also picked up the Romand water tints. I got it in the shade 04, 07, and 02. And these are great. They can be a little bit drying, so I just always try to reapply my lip chap over it. But I don't mind the color. It's very long lasting and it doesn't feel too sticky. I also got a Romand Lasting Color Gloss, and this is in shade 6. It's like a really nice deep color. And if I didn't already buy enough lippies, I went to Hui, which has such cute packaging. Oh my gosh.
I think this is one of the reasons why I was buying so many things that I didn't need.
But this is a dark, kind of like dark brown color, and I think this is great as a dupe for my Rare Beauty and Color Honesty. That's the color that I like to wear on nights out. It's just like a deeper tone. Next, I got Colourgram lippies. This is in 01 and 06. I got a pinky tone and a nude, and it's just very versatile, and also packaging freaking cute. I'm not one for lip liners, but I really love the way that Koreans do the lip makeup, and they use lip liners. So I picked up a few from Colorgram. I got, this is the all-in-one in 03 and 06. This complements the lippies that I already bought. It's like a little twist like this. Super easy, creamy application. And then from the Sim, a few things that I really love. So I already started using this right away as soon as I bought it, but this is their color correction palette. Love this. I think I'm gonna have to somehow grab my hands on a few more because it's great for covering up redness, dark circles, which I've been struggling with. So this has been my holy grail. As well as this concealer pencil. I bought two, I'm using one already. I prefer this over using liquid concealers. I just think it works really well with my Clio Cushion foundation, and it does an amazing job with covering up just small little spots that I have or small little pimple scars. And then I also got this lippy from this brand here. It's a nude color, I really like it. Same thing, very creamy. And I've been using this throughout my Korea trip. So you might have noticed whenever I have a nude lip, this is what I have on. Okay, so let's move on to perfume. I am not really a perfume girly, but the perfume stores in Korea are so beautiful that I just really wanted to buy something to commemorate the trip as a souvenir, but I do honestly really love the scents. So from Tamarins, because my girl Jenny is the ambassador, I had to pick up something. I picked up the lightest scent that they have. A lot of their scents are quite strong, so I think when I was smelling all of them, Chamo and Late Autumn are probably my favorite. So I got this little egg perfume and cutest packaging, oh my gosh, and it's great for putting it in my purse. I went to Nonfiction, which is a Korean perfume brand. So aesthetic. I'm gonna put a picture of the store here that I went in Seongsu. I really love their Forget Me Not scent. This is giving like citrus, spring, fresh, or basil notes. Also got the matching hand cream as well, because why not? Got a little body lotion and hand cream set. And yeah, smells so good. I went to Grand Hand. I love that minimalistic vibe. And Marine Orchid, oh my gosh, amazing scent. They even customized and like stamped my name on there. Oh, it smells so good. I'm excited to light this because it's almost like a refreshing laundry smell, but this is like the type of scents that I really enjoy. I have it in the candle form, and I also got it in their perfume form. Loved it, and they also did the customization for me as well. So that's it for perfumes. I think I have enough perfumes for the next 10 years. Let's move on to Daiso. But these masks were going viral, Vaseline masks, so I picked up a few to try. And then I also got these lifting jawline masks. So I've used one on the trip, but I don't know if it was like super effective or not. So I'm gonna use up the rest of these and see how it goes. This bag, not my Labubu, but this bag, super cute, loves the color, and it's like giving me like summer beachy vibes, and I've already been using it. So yeah, and I think this was only like $5. I got an apron, got like a bunch of these Korean envelopes. My wrists sometimes hurt when I'm working a lot, so I got myself a wrist guard. I've been putting it off for so long, I don't know why, and I saw it there and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it. Kodak.
Oh my god.
This is how clumsy I am. Anyways, so I kept the bag because it's just so cute. So I got this retro vibe t-shirt. I am so into yellow and mustard color right now. I also picked up this very cute sling bag. Absolutely love the color, same thing. My mustard vibe is here. This is getting me so excited for camping. I got a Kodak mustard hat. Really loving my mustard colors. Next is glasses. Glasses, I went to this brand here, Moot. Their glasses were so affordable. They were about $50. It took like a day, which is like not bad at all. This is what it looks like. All right, my favorite. This is my favorite store that I went to. I went to about like 4 or 5 Blue Elephants because I just loved going inside. So I picked up 2 pairs. These are Sunnies. Blue Elephant is such a great Gentle Monster dupe for like a fraction of the price. Like these sunglasses or any of their glasses is around the $50 or 50,000 won range. So this is the pair that I got, and it definitely reminds me of a pair that I tried at Gentle Monster. And then the second pair I got, these are non-prescription frames. I really love the vibe of wearing non-prescription frames to spice up your outfit. They're just silver frames. It just really elevates the outfit or the look that you're going for. Now, you guys know I love my colored contacts. I went to Olens to pick up more contact lenses. They have such a good 1+1 deal. So you basically get 2 pairs for the price of 1. Went to Dongdaemun, which is like wholesale shopping, and bought these socks. Each pair was like 1,000 won, which is basically like $1. They're so cute. Like, look at this. The inner child in me is absolutely screaming. So I just got a ton of these socks. As for shoes, I went to Sappun. I got these flats because they were going viral on social media and I really wanted to check them out. So comfy, guys. I kind of regret not buying a second pair. I already wore these when I was in Korea, but I got a new pair of these New Balances. I already have a all white pair, but these are so comfy, so I decided to get a second one. And then next up, oh my gosh, these are probably one of my favorites. I got these shoes here. It's like that mustard color, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. For clothes from Nunu, I got this yellow sweater. I am in my color era, I guess. Probably one of my other favorite purchases. I've been really wanting a trench coat. Got it. Steal a deal for under $60 at Dongdaemun. I got a customized name stamp, which is so cool. This is what it looks like on the stamp. So I wanted something really simple, just an all black stamp. Now I can't forget Juno, my baby. So I got her a hanbok, which is so funny. It's so cute. And since it's almost camping season, I got her like this cooling sweater, beautiful yellow color to match my yellow vibe, and a Patagonia vibe sweater as well for the winter. I was like walking around and saw a souvenir store and saw this really beautiful bookmark, and I did go during cherry blossom season, so I wanted to get a souvenir for that. Got a little tteokbokki keychain. Inside the store called Butter, I decided to pick up a few smiskis because I never had them before and I think they're super cute to just have around the house. So I'm gonna open these with you. Oh my gosh. This is how cute. From Butter, I've already used this. I was keeping all my tax forms in here, but this is a nice little organizer. Lastly, I got a Korea pin. This is the last thing I bought. I can't believe that I got my hands on this Labubu because I went into a Pop Mart in Hongdae. It was like kind of raining that day and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna take a look. Like most likely I'm not gonna find anything. There was like a couple who was holding 2 boxes and I think they were like bickering about whether or not they're gonna buy both. Anyways, they put one back and I ran. I like quickly snatched that. So this is So-So and she is so freaking cute. yeah, so I'm really happy about this one. But anyways, that is it for my Korea haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I bought. It's like a little overwhelming when everything is laid out, but honestly, it was such an amazing trip and I am so grateful for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.